I'm going to just give you the challenge. The challenge is, let me think, my keys. My keys are something similar. Your keys. You've got to be able to reach. We'll put a line on the table. You'll be, let's say you'll be 24 inches away. You've got to be able to pick it up and dump it in another cup.
Wow.
See if you can do that with what you've got in those bags. And I'll tell you what, I'm so generous, I'm going to give you another bag.
Hot diggity. Thanks. We were struggling here.
Another bag.
Stuff.
2 teams here, 2 teams there. Just go for it. And if you need more materials, I'm even going to let you use more materials.
Excellent.
Come on in. Tell you what, why don't you join this table over here? Just join either of those teams. In a high school situation, you've got a 50-minute thing. So I don't talk very much. I generally just say how much fun it is. Say, today you're going to become an engineer. Rather than I tell you about being an engineer, we're just going to let you become one. We give them the challenge and then just back away. So the nice thing about this particular activity is it's flexible enough and it's easy. It always can't go wrong because there's no precision in the parts. It's just that easy. This particular activity, of the 15 lesson plans that we've done, this is the one most downloaded.
Oh, wow.
The last time I asked Doug Gorm about it, and for those that don't know, Doug is, I forget what he is. He's manager of educational activities, project manager, something like that, and came from Sarasota, high school principal in Sarasota. We kind of swiped him from the school system. And this is our way of giving back, compensate for swiping back, I guess. But anyway, this has been downloaded 30,000 times the last time I asked him. So there are other, this is a very free-form activity. It's focused on the design process. There's a candy bag activity on there that's also focused on. Yeah.
All right.
Does anyone have a working robot from this table?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, and that's a big part. At the end, you've got to have it because they're all excited and they'll all line up and they want to show how their robot works. Oh, yeah.
All right. So Ralph, we'll use your car keys.
Oh, yeah, right.
You're going to have the car keys of justice. So which table should we use for the?
That's one of the questions I would ask is if the kids seem to be kind of floundering around learning things, do you give them any insight?
It's very difficult not to because that's what we do 24 hours a day.
So anyway, that's why I'm asking
you.
It's very hard not to. But do you purposely not do that?
Okay. Well, let's do it.
Let's do that table first, shall we?
Okay, let's do that table first. And here's, you already have car keys, so I'm going to keep mine because Jim is
You know I'm trying to take your car keys.
Yeah. And by all means, take all of the cookies and soft drinks because I've got to carry those out to my car.
You got to measure, right? Because you said you were going to do tape and measure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure, we're going to cheat a little bit. You've got to be 24 inches away.
And we're all pretty good with 24 inches.
Yeah. That's 18 right there, so you got to be a little farther than that.
What do you think, the business card?
Right, so same distance across, right? Oh, there you go. Here you go. Careful.
What, you there?
One minute 13.
We've all done product demonstrations. It's always a bad thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah, I think there's some maintainability issues with this particular design. It just seems like a lot of parts. Almost.
The stress of everybody.
Yeah, yeah.
How everybody's
Well, if you're doing this in a classroom, you want to get someone to do this from
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, look at that.
Steady. There you go.
All right.
All right. Woo! Somebody call Starbucks.
Who else wants to try a robot?
All right, who's the other team for this table? All right, guys.
Let's do it. Do it.
Ours is a simple chopsticks approach.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Well, with a little bit of everything on it, eh? Oh, wait, he's going to go back over here. All right. Well,
You know, that's another thing. You'll see very complicated solutions, and you'll see simple, elegant solutions sometimes.
We're not sure which category this one would fall into. But.
Just have to flip them over because they were. Well, which side were we using? On the white side. And there you go. Just
All right.
it's the same thing. Yeah, it's all right. Do it. And set fine up.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Strength over distance.
Remember, when you pick it up, rest the cup on the other. Yep.
Ah! Yay! Good job.
Hey,
All right.
see, now that's what, you know, my personal thing, I like to see mechanisms. And that looks like a crossbow.
All right, guys.
And that's exactly what a high schooler would make out of it. Probably they'd be having rubber bands and they'd be taking those pencils and launching them across the room.
Come on over here, David.
There is beauty.
Let's see ours at work.
Oh, absolutely.
Completely unbiased, I suspect this is the best design.
Yep.
Okay, so let's put it sideways so you got even the, there we go.
Only one cup, please. There we go.
Well, I had the cups reversed, but that's all right.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa, almost.
Oh,
Almost.
One more try.
one more try.
It may just be a matter of doing it quickly, eh? All right. Wait until you see. Wait until you see.
There you go.
Yay! It would appear as though there's some like anticipation of the 2.0 product.
Uh-huh.
That's right. That was planned.
Uh-oh, moment of truth. They got retrofitting going on already.
Okay.
Gentlemen, is this a good time for you, or?
20 seconds.
All right, we're good. We're good. There's no rush.
It's almost done. Just think how great it's going to be.
No, man, it looks like a crossbow. I'm more than willing to wait. This is
Here's the calibration.
the,
Not even the same complete.
the concept of personal harm coming from this one is very great. So.
And I noticed y'all are all standing right in the line of fire.
Well,
Go ahead.
we'll just move depending on how you're ready.
It's you have a warm and supportive audience here. All right.
Can we,
You can probably separate them. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's no problem with that. This is not an Olympic competition.
That's right. I wasn't sure.
But it will be next time.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's tight.
I could go lower, like that.
Oh, tilt the cup up. Yeah, there you go. All right. All right.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Actually, maybe not. Hold on here.
Okay.
Here we go.
Woo! Well done.
Everybody goes home tonight, you'll lie awake.
Thinking of the 2.0.
I could have done it.
That's one of the questions that you can ask the students or teachers when you've done this. What other materials would have you used if you did this in a classroom setting, or what would have you improved on to go from there?
Well, guys, I think a big round of applause for everybody. That's 4 working designs.